excited to see rotten egg.
Go rotten egg it.
I hate eggs.
Me too.
I
And
can't do
actually I hate the popcorn jelly bean.
Me too. It's a lose-lose for me.
Holy mother!
What was it? What
It's hot
Rotten egg! Oh heavens, that was bad.
I want to do it.
Oh, that tasted so bad, Jenny.
I want to do it. I'm ready.
Do it.
Tell me what it.
I would rather lick a bum split.
Ew!
Poop.
Ew!
What if I really throw up?
Ew, the 2-1 was so bad. I've never tasted anything that bad. Ooh. Oh my gosh. As soon as it exploded in my mouth, I knew it was bad.
Okay, we should go at like 9 so we get good seats
What's
because
the
it's gonna
other
be
choice?
crowded.
Popcorn.
I don't think this is rotten egg because it's not bad.
Oh, mine was like an explosion of
Tastes like butter.
Okay, it's popcorn. Buttered popcorn, you nerd.
I found it.
What she found? Skunk spray! Skunk spray!
I'm not doing skunk.
You have to.
Let's
You
do
have to.
black pepper.
Hell no!
Come
No,
on.
not skunk spray.
Skunk spray it.
Can we do black pepper
skunk
and
spray it
plum?
for a fireman?
No!
And peach.
Skunk spray it for a fireman?
No.
Peach and booger.
Booger is scaring me. I want...
Do booger. You know you ate them when you were little.
Okay, let's do it.
She's eating something. Is it
Booger.
skunk spray?
Booger.
Is that skunk spray, Josie?
This isn't right. Heaven. What kind of sick
Was that
person is
Was it skunk spray?
this? A skunk spray.
Come on.
A skunk diarrhea spray.
Let's do booger and peach pepper.